cashback card, which only gives you 0.25% until you spend $3,000 every year. But have fun. Bob and Weave, once you're in there.
Don't get shortchanged. Get your cash back. Chase freedom.
Now time for the one-a-day men's game-changing moment. One-a-day men's encourages you to change your game when it comes to health and wellness. Visit ChangeYourGame.com to check out exclusive video from the pro. You just heard of Pro, the men we're missing tonight. That was Ernesto Jerez, who couldn't make it tonight to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. He's with family right now, and we miss him. And that's one of the reasons why he's so beloved in the entire Spanish-speaking world. You know, I knew he was going to make it big. About a year after he started with that home run call, I was at a Little League baseball tournament in Williamsport, and a team from Monterrey, Mexico had just lost the game. They were playing ball in their camp.